Hello everyone, I'm going to cook Pancit Canton, chicken Pancit Canton. It's very delicious and so yummy. Please subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And don't forget to post the notification bell so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. And thank you to all my supporters, silent viewers, and to all subscribers. Thank you so much. First thing to do is 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 cloves chopped of garlic, and you have to stir it. So when the garlic is turned light brown, and then you have to add half of onions white. And so when the onion is good, so you have to add chicken broth, which the chicken I boiled for the chicken broth, and also 3 tablespoons of soy sauce or dark sauce, and string beans or they call Baguio beans, and also the bukchoy, the stem of the bukchoy. You have to add that. I slice it like slanting, like string bean. I slice that slanting too. So now you have to mix it, and also carrots. So after that, you have to simmer it and add half of bihon powder. You can cook for this without that powder. So, and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So you simmer it. Now the soup is boiling now, and you have to add the chicken breast or chicken legs. I strip it, which I boil the chicken broth with the chicken. I boil the fluids. So the vegetables is cooked already, and also the chicken legs. Meat is cooked. So now I add the Pancit Canton. They call like a dry noodles. But before that, I soak with the water, warm water or cold water. So you get a little bit soap. So you have to mix it well. Mix. So the flavor, it's good through all the rice noodle. And also the leaves of the bokchoy. I slice it like 3 cuts. We slice. So you have to mix it. So thank you to all my silent viewers, subscribers, and also my supporters. Thank you so much. And add a little bit of soy sauce, and also the half of powder, bihon powder or pancit powder, I add also. And then make sure you have to mix it well. And add the bell pepper, red bell pepper, or any kind of bell pepper. And also 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I have that beef powder or beef stock too, 1 tablespoon. Thank you. Please support my channels, guys. Like and share, and please leave comment. Thank you to all my supporters, silent viewers, and subscribers. All my friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel. And also, I add Nor seasoning. Maybe it's like half teaspoon. So now I taste it. It's really good, guys. This is one of my favorite. It's really good. Now ready to serve. This for our dinner, and then some of this I bake some chicken legs. There. Thank you so much. God bless. And bye, and see you in my next video. Thank you. As you can see, it looks so yummy.